Hey, Mr. Stan 913 here. We're in downtown Harpers Ferry and we are taking a trail. What is the name of this trail?
Camp Hill Halls Island Trail.
And we are at the top here at Jefferson Rock. This is part of the Appalachian Trail where we're taking right now. But this is Jefferson Rock where there's a lookout here. It's a little humid today. When we get over there, we'll let you see the view. So if you get a chance, you can pause this video and read what this is all about, Jefferson Rock. We're going to head over here to the lookout here of Jefferson Rock, but this is absolutely beautiful. It's actually overcast right now, which is good because it's pretty humid out, but we had a lot of rain last night, so the rock is pretty slippery. If you go for this walk, just be careful because you could slip, and make sure you have some good shoes with you. But fun time so far. So here we're at Jefferson Rock right here, and the Shenandoah River is right down there. And you hear noise. I don't know if you can hear it with the microphone, but there is traffic. There is a highway right across there. This is pretty cool. Probably the next few weeks it's going to be cooler with the colors changing for fall. So you can see these are big steps. This leads you up. Yeah, and this leads you to the cemetery. So we're heading up to the cemetery. But again, this is Jefferson Rock. Shenandoah River down there. Oh, it's a better shot down here. Look at this. Look at that shot down there. So again, pretty steep here, pretty slippery rocks, but we arrived at Harper Cemetery, which is at the top here. Pretty cool. So again, if you get a chance, you want to pause the video right here and take a read. And this is up on top of the hill. So here's the view from the top. We did come up the top because there is a road that's going to lead us back down. This is the view from the top of the cemetery. And this is the entrance to the cemetery right here. So the road's right along here. So again, here's the entrance to the cemetery. And it's at Fillmore Street and York Street. Fillmore and York. There's a beautiful house right here. I could tell you, it is a lot of gnats. A lot of gnats. So if you can see very closely, the church is up there, the cemetery is way up there. So now we came back down into town, and look at how beautiful this is with the houses in the mountains. We're going to take the trail along here, and I think it takes us along we can get along the bridge here, and we'll be able to see the tunnel. And this is the river down here. Not sure what it is. We'll find out. But John Brown, all the history of John Brown is around here. And we're going to walk around still through these trails. And let's keep going. So this whole ground down here was the armory that was issued by George Washington.
Second armory in the United States.
Second armory in the United States. Yep. So we had to stop again for rain, but we came out. We were up there. We went the wrong way. So now this is the downtown area, John Brown Museum. But we're trying to get to the bridge here to go across and get into the tunnel. So that's what we're heading up to now. It's the C&O Canal.
It's coming down.
Potomac's coming down here. Shenandoah's coming down. They're meeting up here.
Yep.
And it forms into what, Bob?
Potomac.
The Potomac,
yeah,
okay.
Shenandoah flows into Potomac.
So we're going to go across this bridge here. If you don't remember, I got my friend Bob here, and we were in Wellsboro. He's my little historian. But we're headed that way, and we're a little wet.
Which way are we going? Left?
So there's the Appalachian National Scenic Trail, Maine, Georgia.
Yeah, this is the main channel. This is the Potomac coming out of Cumberland, Maryland.
Bob, stay right.
Yes, ma'am.
Pay attention.
I'm not. Hey, sunshine.
There's the Shenandoah right here. We're underneath the Potomac. They're forming.
Three old
Yeah.
padlocks here.
Yeah.
That's an expensive one.
Hopefully, I don't know. This tunnel is still active. Train's going to come through. Hopefully, we'll be able to see the train. And it is clearing up. Look at that shot right here. We're getting a breeze now too. This feels really good. Dry us off a little bit. Tunnel to Harpers Ferry right here. Look at that. 1931. So we just came off the bridge. And we're going to head now down these steps along the Shenandoah. There's a path down here. We're going to go down and check this out. Look at that. A lot of heavy rains last night. Yeah, wow, you got a nice breeze down here. Beautiful. You got the Shenandoah, Potomac meeting together, heading on down to the Potomac. Look at the force of the water. Look at that. So oh, look at this. People coming down. Wow. People coming down here. Look at this. Wow, brave souls. So right here was a residence, an armory paymaster's residence right here along the Shenandoah. So if you see here, this is where the Armory House was. Church is way up there where we went to earlier this morning. And the sun has come out. There's the church. So all along here, there were all homes here. Got washed away. And if you walk here, this is the downtown at the bottom of the street. So you don't have to walk back up those steps that we came down. Oh, there's train tracks. Look at that. And again, there's the church. Beautiful shot right there. So we walked this path, and now we're going to head over to this over this bridge here. Discover Harpers Ferry, Virginius, and Hall's Island. There's the cotton mill. This was the cotton mill. Right here. This was the cotton mill. And if you like, pause the video here. You can read more about the cotton mill. But we can hear down below in the river, we can hear the whitewater rafters going down. So maybe we get a shot of them, we'll see. And then these were the water tunnels.
Oh, cool.
And all these are erased from existence.
That's neat,
But
huh?
standing the hands of time. So we're still walking the path, and I keep putting my phone down to walk, but we keep seeing all these sights. This is the old train that went through. You can go under here, and again, another placard. There is a lot of history here. A lot of history. Coming up on this. What was this?
This is part of that waterway that
The
provided
waterway
power.
that provided
It's
the power.
amazing. 1850.
These are the old water gates right here that provided the power. Wow. To give you a little perspective, we came out there, there's the water gates, and wow. Now we're up on top of the water gates. We could probably walk back over that way. But this supplied the power. So the water came in here, supplied, went underground, supplied the power. This is the old butcher shop and boarding house right here. All along here. So we're headed back now. Actually, we can come out right here. So we're going to walk out from under here. This takes you into the historical area at the very bottom of the hill of Harpers Ferry. And there is shuttle buses too from the visitor center that takes you to the this area. Come under the bridge here. This is where the bus drops you off, the free buses. Right here. And then here's downtown right here. This is where we were this morning at the bottom of the hill. So this is the area right here. You can see there's the church. So there's a lot of museums in here. There's a lot of tours you can take. This is a Saturday, so Saturday's a busy day this time of year. Again, this is the end of September. And let me tell you again, there's another placard. Shenandoah Street, about 1880s. This is what street we're on right now. This is Shenandoah Street.
It's all the same. It's all the same buildings.
All the same buildings since 1880. And this is a national park, so at the very end of this road down here, it turns into a national park. was a train coming through. We missed it again. If I walk down here, we'll probably get it right here. See if we can get the train coming through. Yeah, here it comes. There it is. We were just on those tracks. So that was cool seeing the train. And the John Brown Museum is right here. And there's the train going through. I think it's finishing up right here. There's the train finishing up.
The train was the track closest to what we were on the bridge.
Yes. Yeah, so we just missed that. But we saw it going down. Wow. And the John Brown Museum's right here. And then when you walk up, the Park Service ends a little ways up here. And this is a really cool town. And there's a lot of shops up here. And where we're staying, and you'll see that video, I posted that video where we're staying is up this hill. We actually ate some dinner up here. There's some shops up this way. And if you can see, the old church is right here at the top there. We actually have a ghost tour tonight that we're going to meet at the top of the church tonight. But yeah, you see, it's a Saturday and it's busy around here in Harpers Ferry. So if it's your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Harpers Ferry, West Virginia. It's Mr. Stan 913. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you again soon.